and all is okay. Always remember to smile and to laugh. Life is but choices, and all is okay. 'Cause you can be.
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. It is a gorgeous day outside and we are going to take you along to a state park. It is a gorgeous day for it, and we're going to go for a little walk and I'll show you the state park, and it's absolutely beautiful. So I have the whole family with me: Maximo, Dakota, baby Atreyu, and Lucia and Riley, and we're gonna have a good day. Aw, it stopped playing when I hit record.
Yeah, you can't run both.
Aw, that stinks. I got both my babies. Well, the babies. Maximo, where's Daddy? Where'd Daddy go? Huh? Don't bark, you're fine. There's so many things happening. There's a lot of people here.
There's like some
Maximo's freaking out.
that, I guess. But it's kind of fun. Yeah, it's really nice. But if you leave it in there, it's like you can't even squish it down. But if you take it out and right back at the time, it's like the outside is frozen and the inside is just a little bit frozen.
I just had to pick up Dakota's Maximo's poop because Dakota gags. He's too much of a baby. So
Not afraid to admit it.
what? Excuse me? Say
I'm not afraid to admit it.
you
Handle that.
you can't pick up dog
I can
poop
barely change babies. Worst thing ever.
because it makes you gag.
I love this. Here, Maximo.
This is where we
Can you
put
get my phone
Gordy.
out?
Gordy. Yeah. His.
Oh,
Yeah. Gordy lives here now. We had. You're not allowed to dump ashes.
You just included.
I doubt anyone's coming to get me. It wasn't all of him. Cool.
Right.
What's he doing? Where, Daddy? Yeah. I'm gonna have so many clips to put together. Huh? It's almost like he behaves better when he's not on a leash. You know? That's what the Caribbean looks like. Clear water like that. Someday. It is perfect. Like, if I had my long sleeve, I could have left my long sleeve on, but... Oh, look at how pretty this is. Lucia, you have a turn.
I liked holding him at first, but
Look at this water.
so pretty.
It's turquoise because of the different algae that's in it. And there's other areas where it's like very, very noticeable. On the ground. You don't look very amused. What? What? This is a trail. We've come and done the trails before. That was a lot. Someday, but we need proper footwear, which we don't have today. We'll come and do it over the summer. There, Lucia. It's like the Caribbean. It's amazing. I love the roots.
Yeah.
That looks neat. The roots look like stairs. You better be careful coming down in those shoes.
I'm only looking down right now because I'm not very happy with how high I was.
You turn around and you're like, whoa. Oh no. There he is. Way out there. Lucia, if you don't have your glasses on, you'll never see him.
Oh, I see it. I see it.
You do?
Tiny black dot.
Yeah.
Well, if you can see that tiny black dot, like, you can definitely see without your glasses, because that is far away.
Well, it's like a very tiny speck.
Those, oh my god, Maximo. Those turn into moths,
Oh.
so
Wait.
I'm not necessarily a fan. You can pick it up, honey.
I can?
Yeah.
Like, I thought they were poisonous.
Well,
Those are different ones. I've put that white caterpillar. I've put that white caterpillar. Those are poisonous, right?
White ones?
Oh, he's on a stick. I've put that.
aw.
And I've ate it when I was really little. I had stuff all over my mouth, in my mouth.
You could just set the twig in that little.
You could put them on the ground there. Yeah. Good job.
Come on, Maximo.
It's so deep. It's incredibly deep. I don't know if like you can tell how deep it is, but it like drops right off. You're not allowed to swim in this area to protect the ecosystem. But they do have a designated swimming beach. We'll get back around to that. This trail goes all the way around the lake. And how... Okay, don't... It's a Big Max. So I believe I've already talked about the infamous bumblebee split, but can
I'm
you
mad at him.
tell us about the bumblebee split?
It's a bumblebee. It's harmless.
A carpenter bee.
Okay.
It's
The ones
harmless.
that drill into the wood and make, nuisances in your homes.
So it's
When
harmless.
you go near their holes, they swoop down towards your head, right? So this one was attacking me because I was walking through its
You gotta
area.
stay in my shot here.
And I decided to kick it in midair as it flew down towards my feet. And it split.
You kicked
In
a
two
bumblebee in
different
half. Ninja. Got ice cream and they have the crinkle coat.
Crinkle coat.
Yeah.
I did that on purpose. Okay. Oh crap. Glove. Okay, I think I'm done with pictures now because I've taken like 25 jillion million kajillion.
Phone's gonna be full.
Oh yeah. That like that thing at the top. I don't know what that is, but it's like I don't know.
I made jerky out of one of those.
You had to say that. You had to say that.
It's really good. Sorry.
So, what?
I don't probably a bathroom. Yeah, because they had. Atreyu fell asleep
I'm surprised that my
because we've been walking for a little while. So it's about nap time, so I expected him to fall asleep. I'm gonna try to keep him sleeping for a good 15-20 minutes at least. And then by that time we'll be done walking and we have a blanket and we're gonna put a blanket out and we'll just kind of chill and possibly have a snack. I'm kind of thinking I want ice cream, so we might do that after. Yeah, you're not supposed to go in it. People do, but you can get fined, as you should. It's like $100,
Oh, that's not that bad.
but still. And they do enforce it. There'll be like a ranger going around in a boat because people do try to swim across. And there's always young kids because there's a couple colleges like in this area, and it's the place to come in the summer, and so there's always young kids hanging out on this, and it's tempting. Like when the weather is beautiful, of course you want to just hang out on this, but it will destroy it, so you're not supposed to. I'm listening to good music. Huh? Yeah, you can get both. You can get both. Oh, we made it. And look who woke up. Look who's up. Huh? Honey? Nothing? So this is the beach area. They don't actually have it open yet. And the sand is kind of nasty. They must bring sand in, you know. But we're gonna get some ice cream. No, stop. And I think they want a hot dog. Everybody says they want both, so sounds like it's gonna be both. Girls got their ice cream. They both got.
Just dripped on me.
Oh, they both got hot fudge. You're a big boy. So we were talking about dogs and pets and everything, and Lucia just told me that she wants a raven. She would like a crow as a pet. Tell us why. Hmm? Yeah, I just was falling away. Yeah. Here I did. Breakfast was a little busy.
You know, why don't you jump down here? So, did you guys have a good time?
It's great.
Yeah. Yes.
Always a good time in Green Lakes.
Hi. We made it back. Now we're at my father's. That was such a beautiful time. It was, that's like our go-to place. We always go there in the summer when we want to hang out and be like a quick walk. It's not quick, but not like a hardcore hike. Oh, Atreyu's gonna fall. I got the pool is not open yet, definitely. It's not quite time. But I am going to just do this. No, I have some things I have to work on. I'm gonna work on my hair a little bit because I've been just like doing that slowly, and it's such a beautiful day. I cannot sit inside, so we're gonna hang out here for a little while. Dakota went up to his friend's house to help him with his chickens, and Lucia's hanging out with me. She wanted to hang out with a friend, but I don't think they can, so she's just gonna chill with me. Nobody's here. I don't know. My father is. I need sunglasses. My father's in out doing something all day. He said he would be home about 5, and Marsha's not here. I don't know where she went. I've been calling her and she's not answering, so I suspect she went to the store because the dog was in the backyard, so it must be just like a quick trip somewhere. But yeah, I'll see you in a little while. You could see my reflection in the window here, but I wanted to show you it's raining. It's getting darker, so it's time to down. I have Atreyu here. Let's see. Hi, honey. It's time for a diaper change and get cleaned up for bed. So thank you so much for coming along with us today. We had a beautiful day. We had such a wonderful time. We ended up having dinner. Dakota's not here. He went up to a friend's house. We ended up having dinner at my father's house, but it was just Lucia and I. And Dakota went up to his friend's house to help them with their chickens and their garden. What, honey? So, I don't know what I'm going to put on this little guy.
Hold on, we gotta get some jammies. Hold on, we'll be right back. We're going to put this vintage Sears onesie on him. How cute is this? I think I might just leave this on him for now because it's like, it's not hot in here, but it's not cold. And I kind of just want to enjoy him in a onesie. But then I'll probably, for bedtime, I'll probably end up putting this little nightgown on him. This is a Posh Peanut. It's 0 to 3. And it's a not a nightgown, but it's a gown. Isn't that adorable? I love this print so much. I had to have it. I think maybe you've seen him in this before, but maybe not. I just think it's so cute. So we had a fantastic day. We had a wonderful day with Riley. I can't wait for our time to increase with her. We're going to start seeing her a little bit more often, I think. So we're excited about that. We have some wonderful things planned for the summer. I know Dakota wants to go camping. I very much want to go to an indoor water park, even though it's summer. It's super nice to be able to do that with the kids and stuff, and you don't have to worry about the weather. And the place that I'm thinking of has outdoor stuff too, so I just think that would be a really nice like weekend getaway. So yeah, that'll be fun. We are going up north in July, the second week of July. We're going up north and staying at this gorgeous house right on the water. So I'll go up during the week with the kids. Dakota can't take that time off of work, so he will come up on the weekend, but I'll be up there the whole week. So I will absolutely do a bunch of filming. This is adorable. I love the vintage onesies. Here. Hi, little man. He's so cute. I love the sculpt's legs and arms. There's some that you just love. Like sometimes I love the face, but I'm like not crazy about the arms and the legs. I feel that way about the new baby, my little native girl. I love her face to death, but I'm not happy with her arms and legs, the shape of them and the way that they're sculpted. They look really real, but they're too big for her. They're too big for her head. So I'm just gonna go with it because I don't want to change them. And then Bear, I am thinking, I'm not sure. So here's my thinking. Hear me out. I love the Saskia's sculpted. I love the sculpt. I'm not crazy about the Saskia's mouth. Like babies that have mouths like that, for me, I feel like it's just a position that should change. I don't know. That's just how I feel. I like it, but I don't know if I could bond to a baby like that. Maybe. But I love her arms and her legs. I love her hands, the way that they're sculpted. I love her feet, like her legs, and how one leg is kind of out and one leg is scrunched up a little bit. So I don't know the size, if it will fit with Bear's head, but I am thinking about putting Saskia's arms and legs with Bear's head. So we'll see. I was gonna buy the sculpt and just kind of experiment. I think it might be fun to do that. So we'll see how that works out. Thank you so much for spending the day with us. I hope you enjoyed your time. I know that we loved having you guys with us. I love filming like that. I love showing you guys my family. Please remember to like this video and to share with your dolly friends. Comment, please. I love
when you guys comment because I get to interact with you and it makes me happy. So, oh, one more thing, I want to say thank you to all the people that were at my live, my most recent live. I hadn't done one in a long time, so if you joined us, I appreciate it. We always have fun, and I always love spending time with you guys. So thank you so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.